Aesop's Fables. Retold by Carol Watson and beautifully illustrated by Nick Price. Introduction. The Mystery Writer. These stories were first told so long ago, no one knows who really wrote them. They may have been written by a man called Aesop, who lived in Greece thousands of years ago. Say, Aesop. No one knows much about Aesop either. He might have been a slave or a king. But everyone agrees the stories are great. And they all have one thing in common. What does this tell you? Every story is a fable. This means it has a moral or a lesson to be learned. See if you can guess the moral before the story ends. Chapter 1. The Tortoise and the Hare. One day, the hare was boasting about how amazingly fast he could run. His friends just yawned. They'd heard it all before. The hare started to pick on the old tortoise. "You're so slow. I'm surprised you ever get anywhere," he teased. "A snail could run faster than you." "I may be slow," replied the tortoise, "but I bet I can reach the end of this field before you." "Hooray! A challenge!" whooped the hare. "Come on, everyone. Watch me win. Go on, tortoise. This is a joke." The other animals gathered around as the hare and the tortoise lined up to start. "Ready, steady, go!" shouted the badger. Everyone cheered as the hare raced off, leaving the tortoise far behind. The tortoise wasn't bothered. She plodded along at her own speed. What's the rush? Halfway across the field, the hare looked back over his shoulder. "That old tortoise will take all day," he thought. "I might as well have a little rest." Soon he had fallen fast asleep in the warm sunshine. Several hours later, the hare woke up in a panic. In the distance, he could see the tortoise about to cross the finishing line. He ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise had won. Who's the slow one now? And the moral is, slow but sure can win the race.